I love you in the quiet, still and true, in everything I never said to you. No regret, no tears to hide, just grateful love I keep inside. And if our paths never align, I wish you peace, I'll be alright. I love you in the quiet forever, where fading never finds the light. No sound, no sign, no end in sight, just love that lives in quiet light.